Hello everyone. Hope you all are good and safe at your home. Today, do you know what we will learn? Today, we will learn about U in family words. The sound of letter U is as we are opening an umbrella. And the sound of letter N is as noisy aeroplane. So, चलिए मिलते हैं UN family words से. Now we will learn more words related to letter UN family. Let's see UN family words. Run. Run means भागना, दौड़ना. Run. What is this? Bun. 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 Now let's see what is this? Sun. 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 Yes. Now let's see what is this? What the people are doing? Oh, all the kids are playing in the garden. They are having fun. 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 ये सब क्या कर रहे हैं? Enjoy कर रहे हैं. Fun. Fun. Wow. Run. Bun. Sun. And what is this? Fun. So, in this way, we learn UN family words. Good. So, what we learned? We learned about UN family words. We learned about UN family words. Now, we will learn about UG family words. The sound of letter U is, the sound of letter U is as we are opening an umbrella. And the sound of letter G is G. Okay. So, now let's see UG family words also. Meet UG family words. Now we will learn UG family words. Good. What is this? Ma'am, this is jug. Yes, jug. J. G. Jug. J. G. Jug. Next, what is this? Ma'am, this is bug. Bug. Wow. B. G. Bug. B. G. Bug. Wow, good. What is this? Oh, ma'am, this is mug. Mug. Yes, mug. G. Mug. G. Mug. Good. And what is this? This is a small piece of carpet. A small piece of carpet is called rug. Yes. Rug. Rug. Oh, wow. So, in this way, we learn UG family words also. Good, kids. Let's start an activity. As I'm having UN basket. Now, what I have to do? I have to pick the objects or picture related to letter UN and pick that picture and object in this basket. चलिए start करें activity. Let's start. Oh, what is this? Ma'am, this is sun. Sun belongs to which family? Sun belongs to UN family. Yes. I will pick the sun and keep it in the UN family basket. Yes. Next is, let's see. What is this? Oh, ma'am, what is this? This is rug. Rug belongs to which family? Rug belongs to UN family? No, rug belongs to UG family. But I will not pick this. Next is mug. Next is mug. Oh, mug. Mug belongs to which family? UN family? No. Next is what they are doing? Oh, ma'am, they are running. Yes, run. Run. This is the picture of run. Run belongs to which family? Yes, UN family. So I will pick this and keep it in the UN family basket. Yes. Next is jug. Jug belongs to UN family? No. Jug belongs to UG. Yes. Next is bug. Bug belongs to UG family? Yes, bug belongs to UG family. And what the kids are doing? Fun. Oh yes, fun belongs to which family? Yes, fun belongs to UN family. I will pick it and keep it in this basket. Now let's see. This is bun. Bun belongs to which family? Yes, UN family. Very good. I will pick this and keep it in this basket. See? Yes. So, in this way, what we did? हमने एक्टिविटी किया ना? All the UG family pictures and objects are outside the basket and all the UN family words are inside the basket. Yes. So, how was the activity? It was interesting. Good. So, how was the activity? It was good. Now you have to play this activity with your parents. What should we do now? I think we should move outside. Today we will learn about plants. Let's move outside. Kids, I have many plants in my garden. Look. Wow, I will show you. Can you see this? Wow, good. So today I will tell you about the plants. You know what is this? Yes, I know this is plant. But ये क्या होता है? ये है stem. पेड़ का जो तना होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Stem. And what is this? Leaves. Wow, look. Leaves. Now I will tell you what is this. This is mud. मिट्टी. आपको पता है इसकी जड़ें कहाँ हैं? Roots. इस मड के नीचे इसकी रूट्स होती हैं, जड़ें होती हैं जो प्लांट को फिक्स करके रखती है मिट्टी के अंदर. जी हाँ. अब मैं आपको बताऊं प्लांट ग्रो कैसे होता है. प्लांट को ग्रो करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम ये जो पॉट होता है ना इसके अंदर मिट्टी डालते हैं, मड डालते हैं, फिर सीड डालते हैं, सीड डालकर और उसमें पानी डालते हैं. प्लांट नीड एयर, वाटर एंड सनलाइट. आप भी ऐसे ही एक पॉट के अंदर पहले मिट्टी डालिएगा, फिर उसमें सीड डालिएगा और वाटर, फिर सनलाइट जब इसके ऊपर आएगी तो प्लांट ग्रो हो जाएगा. इतना बड़ा. ओ, प्लांट में तो फ्लावर भी होते हैं. वाव, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल. तो प्लांट में क्या क्या होता है? प्लांट में होता है स्टेम, लीफ, फ्लावर. वाव, गुड. What does a plant need to grow? A plant needs air, water and sunlight to grow. Yes, a plant has stem. A plant has stem, leaves, flowers and roots. Roots. Roots कहाँ होती हैं? मड के अंदर जो प्लांट को फिक्स करती हैं. So today we learn about plants. Wow! See what the people are doing. Oh, they all are kids. This boy is growing a plant. Good. And this girl is also having a plant in her hand. Wow. And she is watering the plant. Wow, good. रोज अपने प्लांट में पानी देना चाहिए. Do you know a plant need water, air and sunlight to grow? Yes. Wow, good. So what we learned? We learned how to grow a plant. आप भी अपने घर में एक plant grow कर सकते हो. You can also grow a plant in your garden. Do you know what do you need? You need a pot. As I'm having a small cup. And I have put some mud inside this. Yes, now I will put some seeds. See, I will put some seeds inside the mud. Look. Yes, good. Now, what will I do? I will put some water. Now in this way you have to grow a plant. मैंने जैसे इसमें सीड डाला, थोड़े दिन बाद इसमें छोटे छोटे से सीडलिंग्स आ जाएंगे. आप भी देखना, आप भी अपना प्लांट ग्रो करना, उसमें रोज पानी डालना और देखना थोड़े दिन बाद वो बड़ा हो जाएगा, बिग प्लांट बन जाएगा. Yes. So what we learned today? Today we learned UN and UG family words and how to grow a plant. Now we will meet again. Till then, bye-bye.